Hi guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Pfizer CEO tests positive for COVID for a second time. Pfizer Chief Executive Officer Albert Bourla said on Saturday he had tested positive for COVID-19. I'm feeling well and symptom-free, Bourla said in a statement. Bourla, 60, back in August had contracted COVID and had started a course of the company's oral COVID-19 antiviral treatment, Paxlovid. Paxlovid is an antiviral medication that is used to treat high-risk people, such as older patients. Bourla has received for the dose of the COVID vaccine developed by Pfizer and its German partner BioNTech. The chief executive said he has not yet taken the new bivalent booster. Developed by Moderna and the team of Pfizer and BioNTech, the new so-called bivalent shot aimed to tackle the BA.5 and BA.4 Omicron subvariants, which make up 84.8% and 1.8%, respectively, of all circulating variants in the US based on latest data. I have not had the new bivalent booster yet, as I was following CDC guidelines to wait 3 months since my previous COVID case, which was back in mid-August, Bourla said. In August, the FDA authorized Pfizer and Moderna's updated booster shots that target the dominant BA.4 and BA.5 Omicron subvariants. And federal health agency said this week the over 25 million doses of the so-called bivalent shot had been sent out. That consisted of mostly the Pfizer or BioNTech vaccine as production of the Moderna vaccine ramps up. The U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention expected COVID-19 vaccine boosters targeting circulating variants of the virus to be available for children aged 5 until 11 years by mid-October, the CDC said in a document released on Thursday that is expected to make a recommendation in early to mid-October on the use of the new bivalent vaccines in the group if they are authorized by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. The vaccines, which target both the original version and the currently circulation variants of the virus, were rolled out for people 12 years or older earlier this month. The CDC said it expects Pfizer-BioNTech bivalent vaccine to be available for children aged 5 until 11 years and Moderna vaccine for those aged 6 until 17 years pending FDA authorization. The Pfizer vaccine is already authorized as a booster dosage for children over 12 years of age, while Moderna's bivalent vaccine is authorized for adults. The CDC expects pre-order for the Pfizer shot to begin for the age group next week. The Moderna vaccine will have the same formulation for children and adults and will not require a separate pre-order period, the CDC said. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Bye.